I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Soup Ya Mbuji. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 kilogram of goat meat, 2 large onions, 4 cloves of garlic, and a piece of fresh ginger. You'll also need 2 to 3 ripe tomatoes, a bunch of fresh cilantro, and essential spices like black pepper, salt, and a pinch of turmeric. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the goat meat. Start by washing about 1 kilogram of goat meat thoroughly under cold water. Place the clean meat into a large pot and add enough water to fully cover it. Bring this to a boil and let it simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the meat is wonderfully tender. Remember to skim off any foam that appears on the surface for a clearer broth. Next, we'll build the soup's rich flavor base. In a separate pan, heat a little oil and sauté your chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Then, add the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the chopped tomatoes and let them cook down until they are soft. Finally, mix in your spices, such as black pepper and a pinch of turmeric, to infuse the flavors. To finish your delicious Soup Ya Mbuji, carefully add the sautéed aromatic mixture from the pan into the pot with the tender goat meat and its broth. Let everything simmer together for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste the soup and adjust the salt or any other seasonings to your preference. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro just before serving it hot. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.